Welcome back to the Think Fast Challenge. I'm your host, Jacqueline. I'm the Media Communications Coordinator here at Inductive. Right now I have Bobby with me. Bobby, do you want to see what you do here?
Yeah, I do training here at Inductive Automation. We teach everyone how it works.
So you would say you're probably well-versed in ignition then?
Hopefully.
We're about to test you out.
All right, let's do it.
So go ahead and pick your time. It's in this box right here. Yeah.
Oh, 7 seconds. Perfect.
7 seconds. All right, and then I'm gonna have you go ahead and pick a question, but don't read it yet. So when you're ready, I'm gonna have you read it. As soon as you finish the last word on that, I'm pressing start. So,
all right.
You ready to think fast?
Maybe.
Okay, go.
Explain Inductive University. Inductive University is a set of over 400 videos that cover all the various topics inside of ignition and allow you to follow along and replay and watch.
Wow, that was really great, actually.
I was involved in the creation of it, actually.
I know, that was a very fitting
That was
question
a
for you.
softball.
Yep, high five.
All right.
Perfect.